Alright guys, today we want to make a design like this. This is a church flyer, so we want to make something similar like this. So first we'll start by drafting the text. Let's move this away. Let's change our artboard to portrait so that we can see this like this. So now let's draw a rectangle. Let's make this page A5 for instance. Let's drag in. Reduce it like this. We are designing using A5. Then select a rectangle. Draw like this. Press P to centralize so that it will hold. So first thing now we'll start with the prophetic Sunday. So now us we are using evangelic Sunday. Sorry. Evangelic. Evangelic Sunday. You select and you change it. My font I'm using is Bebas. So Bebas. It gives me that long ray. So Control K to break it so that you'll be able to adjust it. So select all and press shift and hold and then click on that rectangle to centralize like this. So the next thing I do, I take my rulers to align my design like this. This is how I do my alignment. So now after making your alignment, you now select this is I'm dragging it to see where it's going. You see the next thing we are looking for the background. So first I normally get my background from Pinterest. Let's say church background. Let me write church background. So from here I'll search for it at this point. Let it open. These are different kinds of church background. So I need a light one so that by designing I want my text to pop out. So I'll be looking for something milk color or let's say an orange. So I think this will serve. This is also do the job. Let's go further to find. If we don't get, or you how do you can search from Pinterest is look at this. You click on it, it will give you that other versions of this same thing. So we select this and then we'll download this good one. Let's download it. It's by Divine. So you select it. So we'll now use it in our design. So paste it here in your Coreldraw. So power click this inside of this. As you select, come to object here and then power click and then place inside. You double click, you can see it inside. Finish it. You can let's drag it in to see how it fits better and then click on finish. So now this is our design that we have here. We're changing this to red color so that it can pop out. So the next thing here is I'm going to please stick to the end of this video. I want to do this light effect so that you can see from here. This light effect is very important. Then you remove the that main border. Look at it here. Let's drag in you so that you can remove this thing. The moment you remove this outline, you click here. You see the work becomes more fine and it paves way for a lot of creativity. So now our image that we want to use, we have it in our download folder. Look at the image we're using. Let's copy it. Please, all these assets will be in the description so that you can use. Look at the image we want to use. So it's facing this side. We want it to face the other side. So now we'll click here. That is the meaning of this. We want it to invert. So we call mirror horizontally there. Then we'll power click this inside as well. You can hold it. You can hold it and bring it in like this. That is, you right click and hold so that once you bring it in, it will give you this circular cross and then you now drop it. Then it will tell you to power click. Or if you don't do like that, you can also continue doing that particular way. So double click inside to adjust the power click. Or another way, we can leave it like that. We can leave it outside like this so that we can get this effect that it covers that Sunday, but we can still work with it. So for that, let's adjust this. You select your shape tool from here, this particular shape tool, and then you drag it in here so that it will align with where the flyer is ending. So we want to blend her. I want to blend this section here. Let's add her a bit so that we'll make it bigger. So we want to blend her legs downward. We don't want to see this particular aspect. So now come to your transparency tool here, and then we'll blend her from here so that she will enter the background. Can you see the blending? This is where she will enter the background here, like this. This is it. This is it. So now from here, after here, we can now say, us is Matthew 7, Matthew 7:7. All right, that is our theme, Matthew 7 verse 7. Some people, that those of you that know what Matthew 7:7 says, please come to my comment section and tell me what you understand by Matthew 7:7. Mm, yes, I'm waiting for your comments. Select it like this. Please, this is for educational purpose. The way I'm laughing because I'm expecting weird comments. Eh, so we select this. Our focus of attraction is, we are not going to use this style, but I want to use a rectangle here. That's my own style. Please, when you are making a design, it doesn't mean that you must copy that same person's complete style. No, don't copy all. Then you remove the outline here, and then you select this text here. Because it's behind it, you press shift page up on your keyboard. Look at how it comes up like that. Then you click on bold. You can now bold it here, and then change the color to white. You can see how it's popping out like this. So now the next thing is date, venue, and time, so that you can now put this. So for instance, I want to press my shift window T to copy. Your system may not be doing this particular thing, or it's not for all, but I just want to copy and re-edit to any form. You can see, you can copy and then paste. If it doesn't do that, notepad, this is my note. You can also follow along with me. If you don't have, you can type as well. You can type you can actually type it, but due to, I don't want this tutorial to be too long, that's why. So from here, we are using Montserrat, please. Montserrat for the write-up. Montserrat, one of our favorite fonts. Select here, and then press Ctrl K to break, please. Ctrl K. That is one aspect we use so much. We like breaking text. So now readjust it. Take it down so that this one we want it to be aligned. Please and please. Let me show you something. Anytime you want to be aligned, please select your ruler. If you are not seeing this ruler, you can actually come to view here, and select rulers. It will come here, or press alternate shift R on your keyboard. It will come. So change this to red color, and then this also adjust it like this. Exactly. Let it align. Let everything align like this. Select this and also change to red. That's it. Then let's give it a breathing space in between. Will mean that this and this are together. That's the meaning of it. This and this are together. This and this are together. That's one. The next thing is this Sunday first. But then our own time is 9. That's 9. And then this one, the second service is 11. So from here, this is it. And then this Sunday, for you to get these details for here, and then you can now copy. You can now select it like this. Bring this one's to the other side. From here, I want us to shift this text a bit downward. This one to go up a bit. Then from here, our own, we are using is Sunday. Please, let's make it capital letter. Press caps lock. Sunday, February. Us, it's not February now. We are in July. So July 27th, as the case may be. Um, sorry, 26. 26. So from here, you can readjust, make some readjustment. Sunday. The Sunday should be bigger. What I want in you is, please, let's make things consistent. Please don't, others should not be bigger than others. So select this text. We'll see that it's 12. Select it, click on it, and then paste. You see that it will take the same form. Select this one. You see how big this one is. Select it. Click on this and also paste. So that it will take the same size. Please and please. Then for the location, that's for the location. Our address, we are using you drag this, press shift and hold so that you can drag with me, right click. For our address, we are using Dunamis Chapel. Dunamis Chapel, second second campus, second campus, Makudi. This is the address of our church. So please and please, we want to strive to hold a consistent time platform. So from here, we have actually achieved, we are 50% in. So now, also, we don't have our social media, but for you to do this, you can also join online. You can say, to look at the lines here. You can drag here to this place, then duplicate it and copy it again. You can see, adjust and go behind like this, and then you write this, join us online. You see here, join us online. So let's write it, join us. Sorry, something is going wrong. Join us online. So join us online, and then let's adjust it like this. So basically, we'll look at how we're going to make it. And we're also using Montserrat for this one. Look at how it is. And then select this and group it. And then press and hold this rectangle and then press C. So we want it to align both ends like this. That's all. So we want to adjust this. We want to give it distance. This one, so we want to give it this distance. Yes. So now we want to make that this particular light effect here. So from where we downloaded it, downloads, look at, I think we downloaded it. Look at it from here, we'll copy here. All these assets will be available for you to download. So from here, you can now say, you select it and then you come to this transparency tool here, select it. And then under the settings, say you come to screen, under screen, and then you can see you adjust it. Only this effect has given light, like it has made this design to have life. How would they call it? Life in this design. So that's it. Oh, doesn't. So this space up here, we're leaving it for the logo and the name of the church. So that's all. So we'll not waste much of our time. We'll just add the logo and the church the church name. So at any point in time, depending on the church you are working for, you just add it. So please, if you love anything about this tutorial, very quick, short, and if you like our tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and support us for more. Thank you, and the link of these resources are in the description so that you can follow us and then you can practice along. Thank you, and see you in our next tutorial.